Hi guys, I hope all of you are doing well. This is your Nifty guy. So day before yesterday for today's plan, we had discussed that we'll wait for this particular low to be taken out and we'll create a short on a pullback, which never happened. And the long was supposed to be above this. As we can see, Nifty is in a sideways range for the last 3 days. Let's just switch to the daily time frame. I'll remove all the drawings for easier viewing. So what we can see here is again Nifty is in a after this particular big gap down, Nifty has turned sideways. There has been no follow through to this selling which came in. This was on global cues. So yeah, we'll keep the plan for next day very simple. We'll just bring the drawings back. Let's remove this and this. I'll also remove this particular trend line because I see something else right now which can be of better use to us. We There's a trend line which can be this, and then we'll mark this low as well. So for tomorrow, we'll keep the plan very simple. Our biasness is towards the bottom side, but then again, because the market is in a sideways, we cannot rule out up move as well. So what we can do is we can plan a short trade below this low with a pullback. A long can be planned above this high again with a pullback. Now, when I draw these lines, does not mean the pullback has to come all the way down till here. This is just for a reference that you know what is to be expected. Pullback can be a breakout above these levels and inside bar, like I explained in some of my previous videos, or maybe a couple of red candles, and then when once the high gets taken out, that is where we enter. So these lines are just for reference. Please don't take them that we need the pullback right back up to the trend line or something like that. That is not necessary. That will not happen in real world markets. So yeah, the plan will be very simple. So it's been a couple of weeks since I started this YouTube channel, and if you go back to all my previous videos, you'll see that we have been pretty good in analyzing Nifty. The reason I don't say predict is because I don't predict what's going to happen tomorrow. That is something that nobody knows. Someone who claims this is a complete fraud. Nobody knows what's gonna happen in the stock markets tomorrow. We just need to follow the price and then take our trades in that direction so that we can make some money. In today's market, also the market was very sideways. There was a small double bottom pattern being formed around these levels, and someone who would have taken a long over here, that was a valid entry. But just look at the VIX. It has crashed over the last 2 days, and anybody who would have entered here would have hardly made 4 to 5 points in options premium against this move. So this move was very slow and sluggish. So there was no point in trading. So you also need to know when not to trade. The VIX has been crashing since yesterday, and that is again one reason wherein I can see a slight chance of a up move. That is something which again I combine with a lot of other factors like the FII long short positions in the index, which is right now I assume would be around 14-15% today. The data would come in a little later, and which is an extreme position on short side. So usually when the FIIs would cover their shorts eventually, uh, that will lead to a good up move, which we can capture. Today was the Feb month expiry of Nifty options as well. And yes, it was a dead expiry. For me, it was a completely dead expiry. It was completely sideways. I did not take any trades today. So yeah, that's it from me for tomorrow. If you guys like the way I analyze Nifty and give you my thoughts and views on it, and also uh, tell you about how you should plan your entries, uh, please subscribe to my channel. I'm very new out here. Please like the video, share it with your trading friends, and yeah, comment down whatever your thoughts are about the videos. So yeah, I'll see you guys again tomorrow or maybe on Saturday, depending on my availability. And we'll put up the video for next week, Monday. All right, guys. Cheers. Thank you so much.